Chrissy, Spree if I misspelled your name, was an amazing tour guide. She knew a lot of interesting facts not only about places we visited but also the things we saw on our way. Paul was a great and nice driver, felt very safe with him driving. Our guide Sasha was very good. She made everything fun and enjoyable for everyone on the tour. It was not a full-pack bus, which good I guess. Cotswold makes you feel you were brought back centuries ago. What a great experience indeed. Fantastic guide Ursula guided us on the tour, and she shared many fantastic stories along the journey and history of the places we are visiting. The Blenheim Palace tour was free. There was a fashion show display ongoing. We enjoyed Cotswold and loved the fish and chips. The time spent at Cotswold is rather short. Wish we had more time there. Omar was really good and attentive. He was giving a lot of good information and advice for each location we went to. Drive was smooth and safe. Really great value for money. Our tour guide, I forgot his name, he was so kind and nice to us. We managed to visit all the places. Today's tour guide, Mr. Godfrey, is humorous and the overall explanation is very good. Blenheim Palace is so stunning, it is my favorite attraction today. Please be sure to get the audio guide to listen to the explanation, it will definitely be very rewarding. The itinerary is beautiful, but there is nothing special about Downton Abbey. It is just a small rural village. It can be a little longer in Cotsworth, but it is a very happy itinerary after all. The two Chris's, Chrissy and Christian if I got the spelling correct, were a tandem. Gotta give credit for them for waiting for us when we made them wait for over 5 minutes, sorry about that guys. But the rest of the trip was a breeze. Loved the many trivias along the way. Lovely tour guide Megan, who knows her stuff well. And driver was also able to cruise through the narrow roads. From Downton Abbey Village, we saw the film sets before our eyes. Duration at Cotswolds could be longer, it was a very lovely place to explore. Blenheim Palace was a surprise. Very well maintained. A pity that the Christmas decoration is on, hence couldn't focus on the artifacts and sculpture well due to lighting effects. We'll certainly recommend this trip nonetheless. The tour guide guides you from beginning to end like a dictionary, which is suitable for Downton fans. Even if you have not seen the tour guide explains it in detail. When you arrive at the meeting point, you don't know that it is an outsourced tour. It is best to go to bus stop no. 1 or 2 to ask for details, otherwise there will be no record of the group.